Today I'm going to show you how to make celery juice using celery and a juicer. This particular juicer that I have is a Angel juicer, really good juicer. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take some celery, fresh celery, and wash it. I wash mine with vinegar and then I let it soak in a baking soda bath in order to dissolve some of the acidic pesticides that may be on it. And after I've done that, I'll rinse it. And here I am with the my celery in my hand. Let's get started. I'm going to first start by turning on the blender, the juicer. As you can see that the wheels are spinning on the inside, and I'm going to insert my celery, making sure that the celery fits inside of the juicer. Just going to press it one by one, and you'll start to see some of the juice come up right here. I'm just going to keep on pressing it inside, never putting my finger all the way in, just putting the celery in, because I don't want to lose my finger. As you can see, the juice is coming down inside of the collection cup. I'm just going to continue to proceed. Now, parts of my celery are too thick, so I just simply break off the thicker side so it can fit inside of the juicing chute. And see all of that fresh juice coming up from that part. If you look over here, there's the celery pulp, which I'll show you when I'm done juicing the celery. Just going to keep on sliding it in. Just a few more pieces left. Just keep on sliding it in. It's making quite the amount of celery juice. That's the last piece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my plunger, plunge the rest down in there. And the juice is coming out. And after I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the juicer. And the fan will keep on going in order to cool the motor. Before I show you the juice, let me show you. This right here is the pulp. Came out quite dry. You can use this, possibly throw it in some eggs, if you'd like. And this right here is the juice. Pull back the lip, and that's fresh celery juice, which I'll go ahead and pour into my cup. Pulp free. And that's how you make fresh celery juice using a juicer. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.